Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick update on the faulty, well not faulty, but the ignition switch for a 2008 Ford Focus that had loose contacts. Basically what it meant is that the owner was having problems when he put the key in the ignition. The key wasn't contacting the little push rod in there far enough so that when he turned it to the start position, it would actually crank the engine. So what we did was, like in my previous video, which I'll link to that, was added a push-on start switch, which is right underneath the dash right here. And basically all you got to do is put the key into the ignition switch, turn it to the on position, let the car cycle for about 3 seconds or so, and then you just push the start switch for about 3 to 5 seconds. Once the car starts, let go and you're good to go. And that's it. That only take about 3 seconds. And by looking at the switch, you can see it looks like it actually came with the car. And that's a nice, quick, and easy fix for a cylinder that probably costs like $150, depending. And all the headaches of trying to find something or going to the junkyard. But this right here will take care of that. And it turns out that sometimes this will intermittent actually work. I don't know if it'll do it now, but I can show you. See, right now by turning it on, it didn't do it, and sometimes it does.
You gotta push hard in.
It actually, okay, I'll try pushing it first. See, by pushing the key in just a little bit, probably a 1/16 of an inch or so, you can actually start the car and the switch doesn't do anything, because the switch is just a bypass for those 2 wires that we mentioned in the previous video. So it works both ways. But if this actually wears out over time, if it wears out to the point where you can't use it anymore, you always have the backup, which is the switch. So now the switch is actually the primary, and doing it this way with the key is actually going to be the secondary. And there you go. So
and this is the second time it's being replaced.
And according to Rod, this is the second time the switch has been, the ignition switch has been replaced. So hopefully this will be the last time he's got to deal with this.
And there's no recoil in it.
And that's it. So, well, there you go. Not a bad fix, like I said. Overall, I think total time, it took us like an hour to go ahead and do everything, put everything back together, another 15 minutes or so, and that's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more and up and coming videos, and also hit the little the bell on there. That gives you notifications when I upload more videos. All right, thanks guys, take care, bye.